Hello dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking to support your kidney health, you have clicked the right button. It's important for every individual to focus on a balanced and kidney-friendly diet to maintain kidneys health. As a famous saying is, a stitch in time saves 9. However, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have kidney issues. Dr. B.M. Hedge said, "No pill for every ill, but there is ill after every pill." It is advisable to adopt general guidelines for kidney health as a preventive measure before encountering any potential risks. If you're experiencing kidney issues, it's crucial to promptly follow this diet plan to naturally support kidney repair without delay. So let's start. Number 1. Low-sodium foods. Incorporating low-sodium foods into your diet is beneficial for kidney repair. Reduced sodium intake helps manage blood pressure, a key factor in kidney health. By choosing fresh fruits, berries, apples, oranges, and watermelon, vegetables, broccoli, spinach, kale, carrots, and bell pepper, and lean proteins, skinless poultry, fish, tofu, and legumes, you support kidney function and reduce the risk of complications. Prioritizing low-sodium options contributes to an overall kidney-friendly diet, fostering a healthier environment for renal repair. Number 2. Lean proteins. Incorporating lean proteins into your diet supports kidney repair by providing essential nutrients without excessive fat or phosphorus. Opting for sources like skinless poultry, fish, tofu, and legumes aids in maintaining a healthy balance, reducing strain on the kidneys. Lean proteins contribute to overall renal well-being and play a crucial role in supporting the body's natural processes for kidney repair and maintenance. Number 3. Low-phosphorus foods. Choosing low-phosphorus foods is beneficial for kidney repair by minimizing strain on the kidneys. This helps manage phosphorus levels, crucial for those with kidney issues. Opt for options like rice, pasta, and fruits while limiting high-phosphorus items. A low-phosphorus diet supports kidney health, aiding in the natural repair process. Number 4. Healthy fats. Incorporating healthy fats into your diet supports kidney repair by providing essential nutrients without compromising overall health. Sources like olive oil, avocados, and fatty fish contribute to a well-balanced diet, reducing inflammation and supporting the body's natural processes. Healthy fats play a vital role in fostering optimal conditions for kidney repair. Number 5. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is crucial for kidney repair as it supports proper kidney function and helps flush out toxins. A well-hydrated body ensures optimal blood flow to the kidneys, promoting efficient filtration. Adequate water intake also prevents the formation of kidney stones, contributing to a healthier environment for natural kidney repair processes. Number 6. Control blood sugar. Effective blood sugar control is essential for kidney repair as it prevents damage to the kidneys caused by high glucose levels. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels reduces the risk of diabetic kidney disease and supports overall renal health, creating an environment conducive to the body's natural processes for kidney repair. Remember that individual dietary needs vary based on factors like overall health, specific kidney conditions, and other medical considerations. A healthcare professional or registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance tailored to your situation.